Hey, y'all, and welcome to the Southland Piper. I'm your host, Tim. Hope you're doing well today. I have this Sasieni 4 dot. It's a little Prince shape. It's in pretty good shape, but it needs to be redone, refinished. And so let's turn around to the workbench and get started. Well, let's see what we got to work with. Like I said, it's in nice condition. The stem, um, just a little bit of tooth chatter, one little dent right there. Not bad at all. The stem is a little loose. Shouldn't be hard to fix. The fit to the stummel is really nice. Nomenclature, they could have done a better job at the nomenclature. It's the rough root dark. We've got a 9 right there. Okay, let me get back out. Here's the rest of the pipe, which I think we'll just use a general cleaning. And then the rim, I'm hoping that that's just a little light carbon and not any scorching. The inside, it's been somewhat reamed. You can see right there. Um, Left a lot on this other wall. The bottom of the bowl looks good. We actually have a figure 8 down there, which is a good thing. And just a little bit of trash or tobacco down the bottom. But all in all, looks like it's a fairly nice little pipe. And I describe this as it looks to me to be a Prince shape. All right, I'm going to start with putting this briar cleaner on the stummel. And it's already been stirred up, so it's good to go. Not terribly dirty other than the rim. Let's get a good coat on the rim. And we'll let that soak for 20 minutes. And then we'll take a soft toothbrush and some water and scrub it down for a couple of minutes. All right, let that soak. Now on the stem, I'm going to go ahead and put it on the buffer using Tripoli first and then some white diamond. All right, this is just a soft bristle brush and just some water. All right, been about 3 minutes. Still haven't reamed the bowl out. Usually save it for one of the last things I do. Before finishing, at least. Before putting dye on and such. But I like to leave it on during the cleaning process because some of the cleaner does get down in the bowl, and I'll end up removing the cleaner out of the bowl by doing the reaming. And let's see what we got. Looks like I got pretty much all the carbon. Maybe just a hair left right there. I think if we're real careful, we can just scrub that off with a little sandpaper. Um, I think I'll go ahead and put some dye on it. Don't want to go too dark. So anyway, let me touch up the rim right there, and then we'll move right along. We'll need to ream it still. It does have a beveled edge on the inside. All right, let's ream it out. Bowl is not hiding any surprises. Small. Just need to get to the very bottom now. That's a little tight. That's too loose. So I can get the bottom. All right. I believe we got her. I'm going to go with tan on this pipe. All right. Well, let's not drop it and break it. That has happened. Oh, and I want to add, when I first came out here and I said the stem was a little loose, I don't heat my shop. And so since I've turned on the heat out here and it's gotten up into the 60s, it's fitting real nice. So I don't think we'll have to do anything there. Well, here's the finished pipe. Turned out really well. The stem got the couple of tooth marks out of it, and it is vulcanite stem, but it cleaned up nice. Had just a little bit of oxidation right around the 4 dots. And the stummel, I think that tan looks good on it. And the rim also turned out really nice. So I'm happy with it. Thank you for joining me today and sharing your time, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.